Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my order from the Happy Planner. It just came in the mail, so I'm super excited to share this with you guys. It is all the stuff I ordered from the new winter release. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. Okay, I actually don't even remember exactly what I ordered, so this is going to be really fun, and it's going to be kind of surprising for me too. I see sticker books. I knew I ordered a bunch of sticker books. So of course we are getting these decals in the mail, these vinyl decals, and when you place an order, these are really cute. This is probably my third one. So I'm going to pull this aside and we'll just look at one thing at a time. And I'm probably going to do some flip throughs on some of these things separately. So let's just see what I've got here. Actually, the order came in 2 boxes. So before I show you what's in that box, I'm going to show you what was in the other box. Okay, so I got this week view desk calendar. And I didn't know when I ordered this what I was going to do with it. And guess what? I still don't really know what I'm going to do with it. But I knew that I had to have it because it's very me. It is simple and clean. And I feel like this is going to be helpful for me. Probably something work related, like maybe video related or something like that. But I'll let you know in probably a future video what I'm going to be doing with this. And maybe I'll give you guys some ideas on what to do with it as well. So here's something that I forgot to tell you about in my planner lineup video because I didn't have it yet. So I got the Love Letters Big Planner for 2021. The Happy Planner didn't send this to me, so I did buy it myself. But I'm really excited about this because, as you know, if you watch my channel, you know I'm working on learning brush lettering, and it's a process. So I'm going to be filling this out daily and practicing my lettering. I'm going to be doing a little bit every day. And I'll just show you what it looks like. So it's a horizontal planner, but it has these lines for practicing lettering. And it has little tips and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about this one. And I'll probably do some videos where I show you some of this as well. Maybe I'll do flip throughs at the end of the month on this. I don't know. Okay, let's check out the sticker books that I got. So I got 2 of these Happy Blooms sticker books because all I knew is it had flowers in it. So I knew I had to get 2 because, oh my gosh, plants. Because I love flower stickers, as you know. And here's what this one looks like. It's a whole bunch of new designs and some older ones as well. But these are so pretty. And like I said, I will probably do some flip throughs separately. I'm not going to flip through every single thing I got separately because last time for the new release, I went crazy and put out like 13 videos in one day. That's not happening this time. It was too much. So, but I will do some of them and probably combine them into one video. Okay, next up we have this Don't Stop Growing garden sticker book. So this looks a lot like the gardening sticker books from last year, but there is some new stuff in here as well. So I got that one, and I also got Garden Flowers, which is the second book. Ooh, look at that. I haven't seen any flip throughs on this stuff yet, so this is going to be fun for me. Okay, next up, I got all the plans. This is like really functional sticker book, it looks like, with sort of a cool color palette that's a little bit different than what we've seen. Ooh, there's pets in there. Ah, pets. Okay, next up, Get Social. I got this one. Well, honestly, I collect almost all the sticker books unless they're really not relevant to me. Like I didn't get pregnancy and I didn't get like sports and stuff like that. But for the most part, I collect them all. But I also got this because it is like social media related, and my job is social media related. So this is going to be super useful for me in my work planner. Okay. The last sticker book I got that's new is Caregiver. I could have really used this book when I was a caregiver. You have no idea how I could have used this, but better late than never. I can still use it for different things and not just caregiving. It looks like this is really versatile and not. So if you're not a caregiver, you're probably going to be able to use this, for a lot. So I like the colors in that. Okay, Bumble stop. Then I got 2 sticker books that are older that I didn't have. Well, one I didn't have yet, which is appointments. And yeah, I just thought it was time that I got this one. I don't have that. And then I bought a repeat of Christmas Joy because I knew I was going to have a lot of Christmas spreads coming up. Of course, Christmas is almost over, but I have it for next year, right? Okay, I got a couple more things. Bumble is, of course, wanting to play the second I start filming. I think she knows. I think it's like, I don't know. She knows I'm filming and that's what she does. Anyway, so I got these daily, hourly schedule sheets, and I got this before I decided on getting a whole daily planner, but I can certainly still use these, especially right now. And I really like the color palette of this. And then I got the everyday monthly sheets, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. Same thing as these are all like the Biz Babe line. Same thing as this. I didn't know what I was going to do with it yet, but I knew that I needed it. So stay tuned to find out what I do with that. Okay, and one more thing I got. I got a planner. I got this Grow Where You're Planted planner, this gardening one, and it is, the reason I got it, besides the fact that it's cute, is that it's undated. So I do, as you know, a lot of spreads for my Patreon members, and this makes a lot of sense because some of the people ask for undated spreads, and now I can give them this without covering things up. And look at this layout. This is perfect. This is perfect. And I probably will use it for myself once in a while as well. So that is what I got that for. So that's everything. It's a lot of stuff. I don't know where I'm going to store all this stuff yet. I'm having a storage issue. So yeah, I got to figure all this out. I want to get everything set up and cleaned and organized for the new year. So I hope I have some time to do that. So thanks for watching. And again, stay tuned for flip throughs of some of this stuff. Let me know in the comments if there's anything particular that you want to see a flip through of. I'm not going to flip through everything, like I said, but if there's something particular you'd like to see, please let me know. And I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.